Hello and welcome to Crypto Weeklies. Today in this video we'll be discussing AAVE, conduct machine learning based price forecast for AAVE as well as regression based analysis and accumulation strategies. None of the content is financial advice. We'll start with why we are talking about AAVE today. Over the last 24 hours rallied by about 4%. Over the last 7 days rallied by about 3.5%. Has had a decent performance over the last month or so. You can see from the peak to high at around price action. If we go at a yearly level, not at a monthly level, since July of 2024, price has essentially doubled from $80 all the way to about at $160 now at around $153. So a 2x gain for a major crypto in such a short time period when the market has been choppy has caught our attention. In terms of the tokenomics, this is one of the cryptos with great tokenomics at circulating supply at around 15 million, total supply at around 16 million. Again, not too long ago this one had a max supply of 15 million. Now I think it has increased to 16 million, but nonetheless almost 90% of the a little over 90% of that supply has been in circulation for quite a while. And if you look at the uh, price versus market cap growth, those two charts initially they were differing, but over the last 1 year or so the price and the market cap charts are essentially the same chart. That means whatever growth AAVE has been observing in its market cap is getting reflected back in price. So that is a good sign. In terms of the total value locked, this particular crypto has about 12 billion locked, whereas the market cap is only two and a half 2.25 billion. That means in terms of market cap and TVL ratio, only less than 20% of its total value locked is reflected in market cap. That's always a good sign. That means the market is undervaluing AAVE. Again, this is not financial advice. None of the content is financial advice. And in terms of now analyzing AAVE through a lens of machine learning based price analysis, the rank for AAVE is I think number 39th by rank over here, and outside of top 20 crypto. And if we check it on the website, this is the website cryptoweeklies.com. This is where we'll find this is personally made by me. All the relevant information related to our discussions today is available on this chart on this website. You don't have to sign up or pay for it. It's available for all. For the price action and price forecast, this is the weekly price action for AAVE that we just analyzed. You can see a series of higher lows and higher highs for AAVE since about September 2023. Even if it is retracing, it's not spending much time below this $85 range at a weekly average. In terms of the base case scenario going forward till about middle of March of 2025, the base case forecasted by the model is between $139 and about $185. Right now the price is at around $150. So in this base case scenario, in terms of the one standard deviation bull case, you can see most of the cryptos, their two standard deviation bull case looks like this one standard deviation bull case, which is a very good sign for AAVE. So it's one standard deviation bull case is between $161 and $832. Sorry, $832 between now and middle of March of 2025. The bear case again is between $71 and $118. That means if the market were to cool off, there would be some sort of support during this between this $75 to $70 range. This the purpose of this analysis is to look at what is potential upside and potential downside for any crypto at any point in time. The market will decide if it has to go up or down, but nonetheless this is provides a theoretical ceiling and ceiling and floor. And in terms of looking at the valuations in a tabular format, you can see the base case is over here. To its left is this bear case at week by week, how it materializes, and to its right is the bull case at one standard deviation accuracy. again, uh, this is the machine learning based price analysis for Aave in terms of analyzing how it's doing on its regression player. It's coming really close to the 2 standard deviation ceiling at around $165. That's a key level to watch. If Aave goes beyond this 2 standard deviation ceiling, either the downward slope of this regression model will change into an upward slope, or the price will cool off to this 1 standard deviation level at around $123 if the market were to go down. So key level to watch at around $160 to be very precise, $159.96. If that level is taken out, the 3 standard deviation ceiling is around $206 for Aave. This is again polynomial regression analysis, a nonlinear model where the price goes up during the upswing phases or the bullish phases and goes down with time during the bearish phases. This helps us understand if the bear market is getting over, if the prices and their relative valuations are overvalued or undervalued. For this model, the fair value for Aave is at around $70, $95 at this point, and the 1 standard deviation ceiling at around $123. So this is the regression based valuation. If we were to check out the 3 models for accumulation, this is regression model is definitely one of the models getting analyzed, but again it's color coded differently. The SMA model says that the risk to accumulate is at around 0.46. That means the reward is at 0.54. So it's 1 minus risk is the reward. That means it's not this purpose of this model is to identify if the market is overheated or cooled down at a point in time. This is only a short-term model. In terms of the TCA model, which uses the similar logic that the polynomial regression based analysis used. Per this model, the prices are above the peak regression level and the risk is at around 0.82. That means for this model, either the shape of this regression function has to change or the price has to cool off. Let's see what happens in the future. In terms of the time weighted average price model, the price is very close to this blue line, which is the time weighted average price. That means the risk would be very close to 0, if not 0, 0.015. That means overall, if we were to summarize the estimated bull target for Aave based on this analysis, let's say the price at around 154, the regression risk. This risk is different from the risk that we just analyzed at around 0.85, that 0.82. That's because we are not considering any time adjusted elements like we did in our previous analysis. The time weighted average price risk at 0.03, the SMA risk at 0.48. The weighted risk is at around 0.42. That means the target price for Aave at this point is around $350 for this bull run, and in terms of the reward, it's about 2.25x from the current level. And these prices are not machine learning based or AI based price forecast. This is just expected values based on risk levels, and they're very conservative models. Instead of looking at what the machine learning model says, price at around 832 between now and early or middle March of 2025. This is very conservative model where the price is over here says at around $832. This model, the estimated bull target for Aave looks at only the risk and reward ratio. And in terms of analyzing some of the major cryptos and on their risk pairs, this is also available on the site. BTC ETH, you can see both in neutral zone, BNB slightly overvalued, XRP slightly undervalued, Doge close to its overvaluation, ADA slightly overvalued, Link, you get the idea. So these are some of the older cryptos. In terms of the recent news sentiment over the last 24 hours, the overall sentiment around 87. That means a lot of bullishness is available in the market. The discussions related to crypto over the last 7 days have been hovering around mostly Bitcoin and the bullish sentiment, again ETF and ACC news related to altcoins, and again Satoshi related discussion, some of the newer cryptos such as Sui, and again some of the recently discussed cryptos such as Hedera, Ethereum, Cardano, and XRP are being discussed at length. Solana is now off again. A smaller narrative on this word cloud. Again, it used to have garner a lot of attention in the past weeks. Now it's a smaller narrative. This is again get separated every single day, available on cryptoweeklies.com under this narrative cloud. So hope you enjoyed the content. If you did, please subscribe to the channel and give this video a like, and hope to see you again tomorrow. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye bye.